Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the arbitrary argument. So suppose there are some scenarios where we are not sure about the number of arguments, then how to handle this? Let's see the example. Let me create a one function, define color list. I will pass one arbitrary argument. And remember one thing, for arbitrary argument, you have to put the star before the name. I will say colors. I will try to print the color from the colors list. I will say something like colors in color print color. Now let me try to call this function. I will pass the n number of colors from the function. I will say something like color list red, white, blue. Now let me run this program. So you can see here we are able to pass the three colors here because the colors were defined as the arbitrary argument. So we can pass the n number of argument and each will be part of the colors object. So if I go by, even if I try to add more color like yellow and green, let me run this program. So you can see here we are able to pass the n number of argument. Remember one thing, we will also be able to pass the positional argument here. So suppose if I say message and then colors, and then if I say good morning, let me print message here. You can see here I'm able to pass the positional argument. So remember two very important thing, if you are passing the arbitrary argument, then all the positional arguments should be before that. You cannot pass something like message and then you can pass name. You cannot pass something like this because in this scenario the function will never come to know when this color is getting ended. So let me run this now. You can see here we cannot pass the name argument here. So all the positional arguments are always declared before the arbitrary argument. And also you cannot pass more than one arbitrary argument. I cannot say something like star colors and star name. If I try to run this, you can see here I'm getting the syntax here. So always remember all the, if you're passing the arbitrary argument, then all the position argument should be before the arbitrary argument and you cannot pass the two arbitrary arguments. That's all in this video. Thanks to everyone.